Today we will, first we will draw the, first we will insert columns. Later we can model the strap beams. Okay. So here already we have drawn the grids, no? So we need to place the columns exactly at the center of that grid points. Okay. So I will go to Revit now. I will go to one elevation view. In this elevation view, we need to create the columns from the top of the footing level uh, to the basement floor level. Okay, first we will create the columns from the top of the footing level to basement floor level. This we call it as neck column. Okay, so I will go to top of the footing level. We are in the top of the footing level now. To create the columns, go to structure tab. In that column option is there. Just select the column option and make sure that here it is a vertical column, not slanted column. This should be vertical column. And in the options bar, instead of depth, select the height. Okay, select the height and give the constraint, like from top of the footing to basement floor level. Give the constraint and type. Now you need to select the type. Okay, it is a concrete column, RCC column. Size of the column is, see here you can see, I will just zoom in. This column size is 600 by 600. This column size is 600 by 600. Unfortunately, see here it is there 600 by 600 square column. So we need to create one column. First, before that, go to edit type, or else just click on the type selector. Here concrete rectangular columns are there. Select any one column. Okay, select any one column. Go to edit type and create one duplicate type. Okay, like 600 by 600 column, and give the name also C1. C1 600 by 600. After creating one name, you just change the dimension 600 by 600. Click on OK. So now just select that grid. Okay. Place exactly at the grid points. Okay. You can see in this drawing, C1, see here at the A1, B1, and B4 and A4. They are all C1 only, but the naming convention is naming convention we have given C1, C2 like that, but the reinforcement is same for all these columns. Okay, all the corner columns. So I have taken C1 only. Or else what we can do, instead of giving the name in the type, directly you can rename it. Select this. You can rename this. Instead of C1, just give the name 600 by 600. Okay, and select the same column here also. This is also 600 by 600. So I will place the columns. Okay, so now I will go to 3D view. Now you can see columns are ready now up to the basement floor level. Okay, now we need to draw the strap beams. Okay, so again go to top of top of the footing level, because you can see here This strap beam is there, no? SB1, SB2, SB2, and SB4, SB4, and SB1, and SB3. Okay. These are all the strap beams. The dimension of that strap beam is given in the strap beam details. Okay. See, this is the strap beam sheet. Okay. Here, the dimension of that beam is written. Eight hundred mm height. Okay. 800 mm height. And in the plan, we have given that width also 800 mm. Okay. Width is 800 mm and depth is also 800 mm. So we need to create one beam now. So how to do that? And it is coming from the top of the footing level. So go to top of the footing level. Go to top of the footing level. Select beam. Same procedure. Okay. Placement plane is top of the footing level, and make sure you can check this chain if you want, or else no need to check. Now it is checked. Okay, it is enabled. Chain command is enabled. And here again, take the concrete rectangular beam. Okay, select any one beam, go to edit type and create one duplicate beam. Okay, 800 by 800. Give the dimension 800 by 800. Click on OK. Now you need to draw the beam from the center of the column to center of the column. Okay, like this, like this. Like this. You need to draw individual beams. Okay. Now go to 3D view and check once. Now the beam is ready. Okay. These are all strap beams. Okay. Now above this, we need to draw the retaining wall. Okay. Before that, see, we have drawn the footings, all the footings we have drawn, and also columns and beams we have drawn, but we have not drawn the PCC, right? So first I will complete the PCC modeling. Later we will go to RCC structural wall. Okay. So where PCC should come below this footing, right? Below this all the footings PCC should come. So what I will do, I will go to the bottommost level, bottom of all footing. Now I can see the all footings, right? So I can easily model the PCC. To model the PCC, again take floor. Yesterday we have done no a structural floor. Take the floor and go to edit type. Select any one floor. Go to edit type and duplicate it. Okay, like 150 mm PCC. Okay, go to edit. Change the thickness to 150 mm and create one new material for the PCC. Select any one. In yesterday we have already created one material 150 mm PCC, so I will select that one. Click on OK. Okay. So I will take some 3-inch or 75 mm extra from this edge of the footing. Okay. So what I will do, I will take the rectangle and I will give the offset of 75 mm. Okay. So see now, if you draw the rectangle, it will take 75 mm offset. Okay. And if you press the space bar, it will come inside. If you press the space bar, it will, it will flip. Okay. So I need 75 mm outside, right? So I am taking like this, and I will draw complete. And here inside, I don't want PCC, right? So once again, I will draw one more, rectangle. Now I will press the space bar. So it will come inside. Okay. Like this. So I will click on finish button. So now if you go to 3D view, you can see this PCC. Okay. So like this, we can draw the PCC. Now we need to draw the retaining wall. Okay. Retaining wall is coming from column to column on all the sides. Okay. So first what I will do, I will model the retaining wall, from top of all the footing to basement floor level. Okay. So I will go to top of the footing level, and I need to model the retaining wall now. So what I will do, I will go to structure tab, and in the structural tab, I will take structural wall. Okay. In the structural wall, we have already created 200 retaining wall while creating some examples. So I will check that one, go to edit type, 200 retaining wall is there, go to edit, thickness is 200 and material is also 200 retaining wall. Okay. I will click on OK, apply. Okay. So now it is depth. Again, it is depth. Instead of depth, you need to select height. Okay, height. Now, instead of HUN connection, you make it as top constraint basement floor level. Okay. Location line. While drawing the wall, it will ask location line. Okay. I will take core face exterior only. Core face exterior or core face interior. This location line I will explain while I am taking in the architecture. Okay. This part I will explain in detail while I am taking the Revit architecture. Okay, so I will take the core face exterior only. Chain is on. Okay. Join status allowed. So I will I will draw the retaining wall from column surface to surface. Like this. If you while you are now the wall command is active. If you press escape once, you will temporarily come out from the tool. Okay, if you press twice or thrice escape, you will come out from the tool itself. Okay, so now I will draw the retaining wall here also. Just see now chain is active. No, that's why it is taking the wall. Just press escape once. You will come out temporarily, and again you select this surface and start modeling. Just press escape once and start doing it. Okay, if you go to 3D view, see the wall, it is like this now. So our foundation level up to the basement floor level, it is completed. Now we need to draw the lift well wall. Okay. Okay, we need to draw the lift well wall. Before that, we need some reference lines, center lines for the lift well wall. In the sheets, we have shown that one. See, I will just zoom this. See, from this center line, 1.17 meter, lift well wall center line will come. From here to here, 1.72, and from here to here, it is 5.21. Okay, and from this center line, it is 1.54, and 1.72, 1.54. So this reference lines or temporary center lines we need to create now. After that, we can create this kind of lift well wall. Okay. Now I will just create this reference lines with the help of detail line. Okay. So I will go to this, that lift well wall will come from the top of the footing level. Okay. I will show that. If you go to cross section, see, this one is the lift well wall. Okay. This is lift well wall, and this is lift well wall, and this is the floor bed concrete, PCC floor bed concrete. And from here to here, it is 1350. Okay. So this wall, this two wall, I mean, this lift well wall, we need to create now. So this is coming from the top of the footing level, means top of the combined footing one, it is coming up to basement floor level. So I will draw that now. So I will go to top of the footing level. Here I will create some center lines, reference lines. So I will take detail line command, detail line. Just go to annotate, and detail line is there, or else just enter DL shortcut. Okay. I will select detail line, and after that select pick lines, give the offset. How much? It is 1.17. Okay. From this center line. Okay. And from that line, it is 1.72. So again, take the, pick lines, just change the offset. Okay. So two center lines are created now. I need vertical lines created. Now I need horizontal lines. Okay. Again, go to drawing, 1.54 from grid number 2. Okay. So change 1.54 and select this center, choose this center line. It will give the offset line. And from here to here, again, this is 1.72. 1720. Okay, this is our, lift well wall center line. Okay. So now what I will do, I will go to structure tab again. I will choose the wall architectural, and I will create one duplicate copy. Okay, for lift well wall. Select duplicate. It is also 200 mm only in the lift well part. So 200 mm lift well wall. Okay, go to edit type, 200 mm thickness, and change the material. Duplicate, lift well wall. Click on apply. Okay, okay, okay. So now this is the center line, right? Center line of that wall. So you select the height for the wall, and top constraint is basement floor level only, and location line, instead of core face exterior, now you take the wall center line, and just you can draw like this with the help of line tool, or select the rectangle and just draw the wall like this. Okay. And check once how much is the inside internal, sorry. See, if you want to check the dimensions, no, in the quick access toolbar, align dimension is there. Select that one, and you can check inner clear to clear 1.52. Okay, 1.52 means it is almost 5 feet. So this is correct. Now we have drawn correct wall. Okay, now if you go to 3D, here you can see this is lift well wall. Okay, so now we need to model the basement, basement floor bed concrete. Okay, that we need to model it now. Okay, that will come at the basement floor level. Basement floor level it will come. I will go to elevation. See, this is the basement floor level, right? From this level, it will come below that bed concrete, floor bed concrete. Okay. So I will go to basement floor level. Just if you want to go directly from this view, select the level, right click, go to floor plan. It will take you to the basement floor level. So now I need to model the basement bed concrete. So what I will do, I will go in the structure tab, go to floor, select the floor structural. You can choose the same, same floor material, because we are giving 150 PCC only. So select the same. Okay. And just draw the PCC. Okay. Now I will take the line tool. Instead of taking line tool, sometimes what will happen, no line tool, it will take lot of time. Since this is a small building, you can draw with the help of line tool, but it is better to take, pick lines. Select pick lines and select the inner surface of the wall and also column, like this. Okay. First select all the lines, inner surface of the lines. After that, trim it. Yesterday, I told you that to create the floor boundary should be closed loop. Okay. Otherwise, it will show the error. Means now this line is going beyond this line. No, it should be not like that. It should be a closed loop. Okay. Just select the trim command. Just click on the lines you want to retain inside. Like this, you just trim it. Okay. Now it is a closed loop. I will click on finish button. Okay. It will ask, would you like walls that go up to this floor's level to attach to its bottom? Okay. Click on don't attach. Okay. I will explain this later. Click on don't attach means it is asking that, see, now we have drawn the floor. Okay. Now we have drawn the floor, and in between that floor only this wall is there, and at the edge also the wall is there, RCC wall. It is asking that to this floor bottom, do we need to attach the walls, like that it is asking. Just click on don't attach. Okay. After that, go to 3D view. See, now floor, it has come floor, but we need opening for this lift pit, right? So how to do that? We forgot to do the opening. How to do that? Just select the floor and click on edit boundary. Okay. And go to that respective level. If you want to create a hole in the floor, just you need to create another closed boundary. That's it. Select rectangle, draw one boundary outside of that, lift well wall. Okay. Just click on finish. So it will create again it is asking, so just select don't attach. Now it has created the hole. Go to 3D view and you can check like this. Okay. So we have now completed the modeling up to basement floor level. Okay. Till now, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Just modeling part. Because in the next stage, we will start basement floor and ground floor, like that. If you have anybody having doubt regarding the modeling that I have done today, you can ask me. Hello. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are audible, fully audible, but nobody is responding. That's the thing.
Okay,
Nobody has any doubt. Yeah,
okay. I will
probably.
continue. Okay, I will continue. Uh, see
Sorry
now,
to interrupt.
yeah,
Uh, Hello. Can
uh,
you please explain
uh,
uh, regarding the view range?
yes, sir. I will.
Uh,
I will explain. Yeah, I will
uh,
explain. Okay, now only I
because
will
while we
explain.
are trying, actually, while we are trying that, you have the perfect setting so that you all, what all you are preparing the columns and all, it is visible in your plan. But while we are trying,
Huh.
we couldn't get the column in the layout which we
Okay,
are trying.
okay,
Okay.
okay.
And one more thing, you need to explain how to remove the slab spanning direction,
Slab spanning.
which
Yes,
was,
I will explain.
yes, 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 please. Thank you.
Yes. Okay. I will just reduce this detail line, shorten this detail line. This is only for reference.
Just one thing. Hello.
Tell me.
Yeah, these detail lines will still be there after the model is done. I mean, do we need
Yeah.
to? Does it not
No,
make
it
the
is
model
it is
heavier?
only no. It is very
Okay,
light. It is only for
okay,
annotation, sir. It is not a model line.
okay.
There is a model line is also there in Revit, and detail line is
Yeah,
also
yeah.
there. Okay, detail line
Okay,
is only for annotation. Model line is like it
annotation.
is a element. Okay.
Okay,
Uh,
okay. Thank you so
okay.
much.
See, now I will go to that basement floor level. See, now this span symbol, it is coming, span direction symbol. Just, if you move your cursor over that, it will highlight. Okay. Just right click on that one, go to hide in view elements. Okay. It will hide. Okay. So now some people are asking about view range. Okay, means I will just open my view range now. Just enter VR or else go to view. Here in the properties panel, view range is there. In the properties panel, view range is there. Just click on edit. Okay, it will open the view range dialog box. Just open this show button. See here, it is there. I will just explain. View range means in view range, there is two range will come. One is primary range, another one is view depth. Okay. In the primary range, top plane, cut plane, and bottom plane will come. And in view depth level will come. Means, see, here you can see in the example, this blue color is shaded is there, no? Shading, blue color shading, that is the primary range. And below orange color is there, no? That is view depth. Okay. You can see here 5 is primary range and 6 it is view depth. Okay. In that primary range, one is primary range top, second one is primary range cut plane, and third one is primary range bottom. Okay. Means whatever we are seeing, no, any level, that is the cut plane level we are seeing. Okay. Means at the cut plane level we are seeing the view. Okay. Below that one level will be there, and above that one level will be there. That is the range, primary range which we are seeing. Okay. And one more thing is there, level view, view depth level. So bottom fourth is the view depth level. So if I set the cut plane at the, it is intersecting the window. Now in this image, it is intersecting the window. Okay. It is intersecting the window. So windows are visible in the plan. Okay. If the cut plane is here, if the cut plane is below that window, that window will not be visible. Means window section is not visible. Okay. And but the primary range is at the top, no? So window is visible, but window section it will not be visible. Okay, I will now here in our model, the top plane is at 600 mm from that basement floor level. See, associated level is basement floor level. So from this basement floor level, top range is 600 mm and cut plane is at 300 mm and bottom plane is at from the associated level it is minus 1.2 meter, and actually the view depth is minus 1.8 meter from the associated basement floor level. So now I will apply and click OK. Okay, like this you are seeing now. Now I will just change some settings, okay, in the view range. Let us see what will happen. Now I will shift the primary range, okay, and I also view depth. Let us see what will happen. So I will just go to view range. Let's just enter VR. If you enter VR, the top level will be, now I will set the top level. First I will set the bottom level. Bottom level, let it be minus 300. Okay, minus 300. Cut plane will be minus 200 and top level will be minus 100. This I will make minus 250 and this one I will make minus 200. Okay, that, see, the top plane should be always above the cut plane and bottom plane should be always below the cut plane, so that it will, you should enter the values like that. Okay, and the view depth level should be always below the bottom below the bottom level or in line with bottom level. Okay, so this one I will take minus 400. I will click on apply. Now see, now you cannot see the PCC. Okay, because our cut plane is below that level. Okay, below that level, minus 250, and bottom plane is minus 300, means below the cut plane, and the top plane is also minus 200. Below that level it is, top plane is there, primary range. So if I change this one, no, 300 again, now the piece.
Parallelly, you can show the section also, no?
Yes, yes ma'am.
Two
Yes ma'am, yes.
two windows you can keep.
Yeah, I will explain. See, now we are in the basement floor level, right? So this is the reference level for the view range now. We are in this level. Okay, actually we are in this level. We are in the basement floor level. Now what I will do, I will just draw some detail lines. Okay. This I will make, I will change this color for just for understanding. See, this red color is the detail line. Now I will offset this up to some minus 200. 200 I will offset. And from here I will take some 100. And here I will take another 150 maybe. And next will be like, I will take some 300. Okay. So this is our primary range. Okay. This is our primary range and this is our view depth. But our reference level is basement floor level. Our reference level is basement floor level. So from the basement floor level, we are 200 mm down. This is the top plane, and 100 is the cut plane, and again 150 mm is the bottom plane, and 300 is the view depth. This this view range I will set. Okay, now this view range I will set for this view. From the basement floor level, it is minus 200. Okay. And from the basement floor level, this cut plane is 100, 200 plus 100 minus 2 minus, minus 300. And the bottom plane is 200, 100 plus 150. So it is 450, minus 450. View depth is from the basement floor level, it is 200, 100, 300 and 150. So minus 750. Okay, apply. Okay. See, now we cannot see that PCC because it is not in our view range. Okay, so like this you can set the view range. Okay, however you want. Sometimes what we will do, this will help in the architecture or interior designing. Okay, this view range we will use most in the architecture modeling or interior designing, because sometimes we need to show the false ceiling also along with the floor plan, or sometimes we need to show the ventilators along with the windows, because ventilators usually will come above the lintel level sometimes. So during that case, we will set the view range accordingly. Okay, so that all our elements should be visible. Okay, is this understood? View range.
No, Basavaraj, it's the same thing. You do it from the bottom of footing level. No, that in that level you set the view range. No, because you are drawing the lines. No, for creating the walls. So for that you need the basement level. So which means we are looking upward.
Yeah.
To draw the wall lines. So in that case, what people are facing is that sometimes they in the floor plan they are not able to view upside. Once after creating that is seen in the floor plan, which should not be seen. When we cut the floor plan, we should look down only. So that is the section.
Okay.
So these
one
confusion
more
often we have.
one more thing is there, ma'am. Along with the view range, underlay option is there in Revit. Okay.
Correct. That
Okay.
also.
Underlay option also I will
team this is very very important. Often we have this problem because once in the in the bottom of footing level, when you try to put the wall, no, you will not see the whatever is there on the above levels. So that time you will have when you start working, you will have problems. So these two things is very critical.
Yeah, I
You
see.
understand,
Actually,
until you understand, you confirm, then we will proceed.
Yeah. See, actually, what happens? No, this it will clear still more while we are taking the architecture session, because here there were no windows. There are no
No, this is
walls.
a problem for structural team also.
Okay.
They
See what you can
because
do.
other things we are having as a reference. No, For reference, with the reference only we can draw the detail line, everything. It is so for all the disciplines when you take, you please explain this one.
Okay. What I will do, see, I will go to basement of all footing now, and I will just enlarge this window.
That is better.
See here, now I will set the view range for this. See now top plane, what I will do, I will take the level of, top of the footing level reference, okay, for the top plane. And now I will give the 600 offset, okay. From the top of the footing level, it is 600 up, okay. I will apply and I will click on OK. Cut plane. I will need to change the cut plane also. View in the view range. Cut plane is now how much you can take.
Section tile also you showed, no? Section tile.
Yes.
Parallelly you.
See, now we are in the top of the footing level, and this is the top of, we are in the bottom of the footing, and this one is the top of the footing. So now I will set the view range for this bottom of all footing.
Bottom of footing should not, we should not be seeing the walls and all, but we are able to see the footing, correct, no? So
yeah,
because we are the above lines are visible, correct, now in this layout, in this view.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now you are correcting that one.
No, see here in the bottom of footing, you want, you want only you are asking that you want only to see the columns, right? You don't want to see any walls or footings, right?
Yes, correct.
Yeah. What I will do, I will say, see now the columns are in which level? Columns are from top of the footing level, right? So what I will do, I will create, see, if you want, you can create the duplicate copy of the floor plan, okay? Just right click on that level and duplicate, duplicate view. Duplicate option is there, duplicate with detailing is there, duplicate as a dependent is there. Select duplicate with detailing. If you select duplicate with detailing, annotations will also come. If you just select duplicate, annotations will not come, okay? Duplicate as a dependent means if you want to split, while printing, sometimes if the floor plan is very big, we need to give the floor plan in different sheet. One floor only, different sheet we need to give. During that time, you can use the duplicate as a dependent. Now I will take duplicate with detailing, okay? It will create one duplicate copy of that level, okay? Just floor plan. It will not create the duplicate level. It is just a duplicate view, okay? So here what I will do, I will go to VR. Now here I want to, I want to see only that columns, right? What I will do, I will shift the cut plane now because we are at the bottom of the footing level. I need to shift this cut plane to here, means above the top of the footing level. So what I will do, from this level, I will take cut plane. I will take, first I will fix the top level. Top level, what I will take from the top of the level, I will give some 600 offset. Okay, no problem. Cut plane, what I will do from this bottom of the footing level, I will take some 700 mm because, sorry, 900 mm because the footing height is 800. No, I will shift 100 above. So 900. Bottom level, what I will do, bottom level, instead of minus offset, what I will do, I will give the plus offset only, like 850. Okay. And view depth, I will make it as 850 only. Apply. Okay. See, now you can see the columns also here. Okay.
Oh.
In this view only, you can see the columns also, and walls also is there. No, in that level, wall also is there. So wall also you can see. Like this, you can adjust the view range.
Okay. This underlay also you get.
Underlay, yeah, underlay I will explain. Okay, here, if you want to see the, for example, now we are in bottom of the footing. If you want to see the, just reference lines of top of the footing or, basement floor level, any other level, view, if you want to see in this level, no, just in the properties panel, underlay option is there. Base level, now the base level is bottom of the footing level only. Top level, you can select top of the level. Okay. And just you select look up. If you click, see now below the top of the footing level, whatever is there, no, that will highlight here. Okay. This is underlay. Okay. Means at the top of the footing level, strap beams are there, no, they are all visible now. Okay. But you cannot select that underlay elements, because in the select option, select underlay elements is, not enabled. So you cannot select the underlay elements. If you want, you can check this one. If you want, you can check this one. Now you can select the underlay elements. Underlay elements also you can select. Okay. This is the underlay option. Sometimes just for, modeling purpose, if we want to see the, different level elements, you can use the underlay option. But if you want to, use those elements for creation of sheets or, presentation purpose, you can set the view range. Okay. Understood?
Has everyone understood? Or we will.
Actually, you need to practice it. Okay. Then only it will come. But the process I just explained, you just practice it like this. If you have any doubt, later you can ask me.
This
Okay.
underlay you show the other option also. Look down also you show, no?
Look down means you need to
Look
go
down.
for the upper level, because what I will do, I will go to basement floor level now. Here the view range is not proper. Okay. Now in this view, if I want to see the strap beams, already strap beams are visible here. Now I will go to ground floor level now. See, in the ground floor level, we have not modeled anything. But if you want to see the basement floor level, no, just base level, you take it as a ground floor level. Top level, sorry, base level, you take which level you want to see. For example, top of the footing level, base level. Top level, you just take ground floor level, and look down again, because we are looking from the top, no. Apply. So you can see up to top of the footing level in the ground floor level, so that you can model it with the help of these references. Okay, like that you can select the underlay options. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now I will go to
You
basement.
please flag whoever is having license, or you please try this option, and then tomorrow you, if any queries or if any difficulties if you are facing, we will discuss this. Okay.
Yeah, you can ask if you have any doubts. You please try it, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me tomorrow. Also, no
Yes.
problem.
And one more question asked in the chat box. What is the standard view range and view depth? Can you please tell me that for structure and for architecture?
No. There is no standard, sir. Actually, depending upon your needs, you can set the view range. There is no standard like oh, this much it should be there. Nothing like that. Okay, depending upon your needs, what are all the things you want to see in the view, you can set the view range. That's it. There is no standard like that because always the levels are not same. No level heights depends on the project.
Yes, that is fine. But if you're doing in architectural drawings, the basic things also to be visible, like doors and windows and
It will
walls.
no. It will.
Huh?
Those are all the default settings. It will take automatically Revit. Okay. If you
Ah,
want to
that's
change,
why we are
yeah,
asking. Yeah.
yeah. If you want to change, depend. See, sometimes what will happen if the door height is instead of 7 foot, if it is 8 foot. Okay. During that
Yes.
time, you need to change the primary range top plane. Like that, depending upon the elements which you are using and depending on the levels which you are which you are providing, you need to set the view range. Okay, and it will take by default it will take some values. Okay, no need to set those values. By default it will take. If you want, you can change those values.
Okay, if it is not visible, we need to adjust.
Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir.
Fine, fine, fine.
Okay, now just we will mod we I will model the basement floor level. Okay, see, now up to basement floor level it is completed. Now I will model the columns, beams and slabs, and also lift wall, lift RCC wall. I will model from basement floor level to ground floor level. Okay. So what I will do, I will go to basement floor level. Okay. Just you select the columns, all the columns. Just hold the control and do the multi selection. Okay. Go to 3D. All the columns are selected. Now, if you want to copy these columns to the upper level, just in the ribbon panel, copy to clipboard option is there. Click on that one. After that, paste is there. No, in the paste, align to selected levels is there. Okay, click on align to selected levels and select the level. Okay, these columns are from these columns are from top of the footing level. Now we need these columns from the basement floor level, right? So select the basement floor level, click on OK. After that, don't click on anything, just set the levels. Okay, see, now the base level, it has taken same top of the footing level only because constraints are on. So instead of just change that basement floor level, top level you make it as ground floor level. Don't give any base offset and top offset. Click apply. So now the columns are copied from the basement top of the footing level to basement floor level, and we have given the constraints also. Bottom constraint, top constraint. Bottom constraint is basement floor level. Top constraint is ground floor level. If you want, sometimes we want to give the top offset also. If you want, you can give the top offset like some 500 mm. Let us see, 500 mm. If you give, it will give the top offset. Okay. I don't want to give any top offset. Just I will make it as 0. And if you want base offset, you can give the base offset also. For example, some 1 meter I will give. Okay, base offset it will take. Okay, or else you can give the negative offset also. If you give the negative offset, it will go down -500, for example. It will go below that level. If you give the minus value, it will go below that level. if you give positive values, it will go above that level. Okay, now I don't want any offsets, so I will make it as 0 and I will click on OK, apply. Okay, now the column is also completed. Now what I will do, I will directly go to ground floor level. I will change the VR again. Oh, sorry. I will turn off this underlay. None. Apply. Okay. Now columns are visible. Now as per the drawing, you just first I will complete the lift wall. Okay. Again, I will go to basement floor level. See in the sheets. This lift well wall details is in sheet number 4, sheet number 5 and view number 4. Okay, here only. This is sheet number 5 and this is view number 4. Okay, lift well is, lift well wall is 200 mm thick, but above that ground, basement floor level, it is 150 mm. Okay, from basement floor level, it is 150 mm. This is 150 mm. Okay, now we need to model the 150 mm lift well wall. Okay, so I will go to Revit again. Take the structural wall. Just duplicate the wall. Okay, go to edit type. Now duplicate 150 mm. Lift wall. Go to edit 150 mm. Change the material. One 150 mm. 150 mm lift wall. Click on OK. Okay. So now the face, now the internal face should be flushed. Okay, the flushing should be on the internal side. So what I will do, core face interior I will take. Okay, height, I have taken height, and this wall should go up to ground floor level. So top constraint is ground floor level. Bottom constraint is basement floor level. We are in the basement floor level now. So bottom constraint is basement floor level. Top constraint is ground floor level. So I will just draw the wall. See, now it is coming inside that location line, right? So just click on the space bar. So it will flip. Okay. Like this, and like this. Okay. Now you just extend this wall 6 inch, or else 8 inch. You extend this wall. I will check the beam layout plan. See in the beam, you can see the beam layout plan. This beam is 200 mm by 600. No, so from this internal surface of the lift well, it should go 200 mm. So what we have modeled is correct. Means this is 200 mm, right? So this is correct. Like this, you need to model. Go to 3D view. The lift well wall is the lift wall is ready now. Now we need to model the beams. Okay. Go to ground floor level. Here we need to model the beams. See, this is the sheet beam layout. Roof beam, basement roof beam layout means ground floor beam layout. Okay, basement roof means ground floor. Correct? No. So this type of beam layout we need to create now. Okay, so the beam sizes are 450 by 600, 450 by 600, 450 by 600. This is also same. So one member is 450 by 600 and this one is 200 by 600.